Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to show y'all what's in my construction company business plan template. So specifically for this video, we are going to drill down on and examine the Word document portion of my template. In another video, I will show you the financial model, which is in Excel. So the way the video is going to play out is, first and foremost, going to give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, we're going to take a look at the construction company business plan template, specifically, again, the Word section. I'll show you what's included, show you the writing style, the components, all the wonderful, magical things that are in that template. And once I'm done with that, then we'll just wrap it up, sum it up, and I can give you the but the website link where you can purchase the construction company business plan template if you so please. All right, so with that said, let's keep this video under 10 minutes and zip right through it. Oh, wait, as promised, a little bit about me first. All right, so again, a little bit of background about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, owner Quality Business Plan. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. If y'all do want to avoid all the fun and excitement of filling out your business plan template, or you just want somebody to write the business plan for you, be delighted to do so. I am a Polish author. Several books on Amazon.com. Check them out. They're in reference to business plan writing as well as understanding your financial projections. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those financial projections, again, you don't want to mess around with the template, pick up the phone, give me a call. Love to do it for you. All right, with that said, here is the star of the show, the construction company business plan template. Again, Word document, so it's not compatible with Apple products or Google Docs. But once you open it up, you purchase it, you open it up, you're going to see this copy right here, the Word document. And then you'll also see this right here is the Microsoft Excel file, which is a financial model. All right, so when you get this, when you have this Word document right here, front page is your title page. Feel free to insert your logo or just to change the construction company to your name. It's up to you. Next page, table of contents. Once you add a little bit more meat to the bone throughout the business plan, you'll want to come back here and update your table of contents. The way to do it, you just click on it. It says update table, click on that. Update entire table, click on that. And then say OK, and you are updated. Next is the executive summary. This summary is a summarized version of your business plan. It's going to tell the reader what you do, target market, your financial highlights, and then how much money you need to get the party started. Once you are, so this is pretty much summarizes your business plan in a nutshell, and then the rest of the document is more details in your business plan. In the financial highlights, when you are ready to go ahead and update this section right here, you will need your Word doc, you will need your Excel file. And once you change all these numbers here, again, video for this to show you how to use it. But once it's updated, go to your projections tab, and under year one, the first three numbers, annual revenues, costs, and net profits, those are the numbers you're going to use to update the financial highlights. And here is the numbers, 459,000 lines up with that. 323,000 lines up with the second number, and then the third number lines up with the third number. Next section is going to be your company description. Just again, fill out your information in this company service provider section right here. This is where you can differentiate your construction company. You might be a flooring company, so you just put in your services for your flooring. You might be a framer. You might lay the concrete. You might run the trim, you might do doors and windows, garage doors, whatever your construction trade is, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, we can go on and on. Whatever your construction trade is, this is where you're going to identify and explain about it, and then you'll summarize it right up here. So this construction template is real good for just about every construction company because it's general enough to where you can customize it with your information and very succinctly. But it also focuses on the construction company, construction industry, which is pretty much what all subcontractors are going to be competing in. All right, next is going to be a competitive advantage, target market. Feel free, again, to optimize these and change these around as you see fit. The last section in the company summary section is your business objectives and timeline. This is a snippet of your strategic plan. And your strategic plan is just telling the reader where you want to be in 3 months, 6 months, and a year. and this gives you the opportunity to do so. Industry research is already done based on the construction industry. What I do is I summarize this information from IBIS World. So your industry analysis is pretty much set, ready to go. Again, you can add some more meat to the bone if you like, or you can just leave it as is. SWOT analysis, this is just a general statement. Just some general ideas of what you can use to make some changes. Just click on the smart art, this little arrow here, and then make your changes as you see fit to the left. Next is going to be the organizational structure. This is your legal structure of your business. Is it limited liability, partnership, and so on. Your name as the owner, and then your organizational chart. Again, you can update this information with the little arrow here. You can take the helper off, or you can expand this to several different levels. It's up to you. Marketing. Pretty much your construction company, based on my experience, you're going to be advertising in 3 channels usually. It's going to be your traditional, your internet, and your social media. Traditional would include networking. So again, feel free to optimize this information as you see fit. Finally next is going to be your funding request page. This is how much money you need to expand your business or to start your business. Here are the terms for which you expect to receive. And then the rest of the statements just, pretty much is a general statement of how they're going to be repaid. The final section is going to be your financial projections. These are broken up from month 1 to month 3, month 4 to 6, 7 to 9, 10 to 12, and then we have our pro forma income statement. So these numbers are based on just some general numbers that I've come up with. In order to update your information, just, again, follow my tutorial, my other video, update this information on the information page. Once you do that, all of your financial projections will update for you, your profit and loss tab here, and then your income statement. Once all that information is updated, just highlight the income statement or whatever document you want to update. Then come over here, get rid of the old document by highlighting the backspace, and then you hit Control V. And now you've got the updated financial projections in your construction company business plan. All right, so with that said, let's wrap it up and sum it up. So in summary, if you are interested in my construction company business plan template, just go to qualitybusinessplan.com/construction company business plan template. And on there, you can go ahead and click on the link, download the template, make your payment, and so on. When you do buy the template, it is a Word document, as also an Excel file as shown. So just keep in mind it's not compatible with Google and it's not compatible with Apple products. And then finally, there is no free phone support. If you have some questions, comments, or concerns before you buy your construction company business plan template, please pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to answer any questions you have before you buy. After you buy, I will refer you to my business plan tutorials, which is right here, qualitybusinessplan.com/business plan writing tutorials. It's a free link. Check it out right now before you buy. If you like what you see there, then that should cement the concept that this could be a good deal for you. But after you buy, I will refer you to my tutorials. And then finally, if you do need a little bit of help, or if you just don't want to mess around with the template, you want a custom business plan written, be delighted to do so. And you just need to visit my qualitybusinessplan.com/business plan prices 3. And once you're there, I do have several packages available for purchase. They are custom written by myself. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. And as always, have a great day and make a little bit of money. Thank you.